Let's be real, while many Malaysians still use platforms like Binance, it's important to note that such exchanges aren't licensed by the Securities Commission Malaysia. That means using them comes with risks, and you're essentially on your own if something goes wrong. So if you want to stay on the safe side and trade through legit channels, here are 6 exchanges that are officially approved by the SC. These platforms had to meet local standards around things like security, transparency, and handling your money responsibly. Luno was first on the scene and is still dominating the market. Since receiving its license in 2019, Luno has grown massively and owns over 90% of Malaysia's crypto market. By the end of 2024, they crossed the 1 million customer mark and processed over 87 billion ringgit in transactions. Funding your Luno account is pretty straightforward. You can deposit ringgit using Touch and Go e-wallet, FBX, or a standard bank transfer. Their platform is accessible through both a web browser and a mobile app for on-the-go trading. For experienced traders, Luno also offers the Tokenize Xchange, which features a professional-grade trading platform. At this time, Luno supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Cardano, and a few others. A small lineup of solid tokens. For transparency, Luno issues monthly proof of reserves reports that users can access to confirm that their assets are securely held. These are independently verified by More Johannesburg. If you're looking to dip your toes but don't know where to start, Luno's bundles may be of interest to you. It lets you invest in a group of top cryptos based on the CoinDesk Large Cap Select Index. It's designed for those who want a more hands-off approach, since Luno will automatically rebalance the bundle to keep your exposure focused on the largest coins. Since late 2024, Luno is also the first regulated digital asset exchange in the world that offers Sharia-compliant Ethereum staking. This might be especially useful for any Muslim Malaysians watching. Next, there is Hata Digital, one of the newer kids on the block that's quickly gaining some traction. It was founded in 2023 by KK Chong, Darian Ng, and David Lowe, who previously held leadership roles for 5 years in Luno. Hata was the first digital asset exchange to receive a license after the Securities Commission reopened approvals in late 2022. Interestingly, it's the only dual license exchange in Malaysia. It runs a Malaysian ringgit market under the Securities Commission and a US dollar market regulated by the Labuan Financial Services Authority, which lets Hata attract both local and international investors. The Malaysian market supports over 20 cryptocurrencies, including established names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as newer projects like WorldCoin. The US dollar market offers even more depth with over 40 different tokens listed. How about the fees? Hata is highly competitive with maker fees set at 0% and taker fees that range from 0.1 to 0.4%. Those who want to use the instant buy-sell feature will be charged a flat 1% fee. Funding and withdrawals are also fairly straightforward. Users can enjoy instant bank transfers, unlimited ringgit deposits, and daily withdrawal limits of up to 250,000 ringgit. It's the only local exchange that currently supports top-ups with GrabPay and Boost. For those looking to spread the word, they offer an affiliate program. Refer a friend and they'll receive a 10% rebate on trading fees, while you earn 10% of their trading fees in return. Then we have MX Global, which is only available on mobile. It joined the scene when it received its license in 2021 and has backing from big names like Binance and Kuskapi Berhad. It's built to be a simple, secure, and trustworthy platform for Malaysians. It might not be as flashy or boast many features, but it's ideal for those who just want a simple, licensed local platform. That said, token selection is rather limited with just 5 tokens at the time of shooting. Refer your friends and you can snag 20% of every trading fee they pay, and they get a 10% discount on fees for their first 30 days. If you're just starting out, MX Global might be simple enough to get you going without much hassle. Sinegy is another homegrown player and based in Penang and fully licensed since 2020. Users can choose from 5 supported tokens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, and Solana. But what's different about Sinegy is its institutional grade trading tools. Advanced users users can track multiple markets, apply different order types, and tap into detailed charts. Traders can also explore top gainers, top traded, newly listed tokens, or even compare up to 4 markets side by side. The live order books and streaming trades let data-driven traders monitor price movements. It's worth checking out, especially if you're after institutional-grade tools, but just be aware the activity is currently on the lower side. Okay, then let's talk about Tokenize Xchange. Its journey began in Singapore, but made its Malaysian debut in 2020 after getting its license. A year later, it caught the eye of Kenanga Investment Bank, which now owns a 19% stake in the company. Available as both a web browser and mobile app, Tokenize supports almost 20 major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Trading fees on Tokenize range from 0.05 to 0.6%, which is a bit more on the higher side compared to others, but it balances out with free Malaysian Ringgit deposits. Wrapping up this list is Torum International, the newest player in the Malaysian market. You might know Torum as a crypto-focused social media platform that launched back in 2018 to connect blockchain enthusiasts, but now with support from big names like KuCoin Labs and Huobi Ventures, Torum has stepped into the exchange scene. It has also been licensed as a digital broker, giving it access to liquidity from other exchanges, which means you can expect more competitive pricing. They're currently trying to push adoption with an upcoming launch of Torum Pay, a crypto payment gateway that lets merchants accept crypto and instantly convert it to Ringgit. Users will be able to choose between an e-wallet or sign up for a physical card. Plus, Torum Pay is already promising up to 9% annual interest for users who stake their crypto. Now, Torum Pay doesn't currently have a launch date, but it will be an intriguing step in bringing crypto one step closer to daily life. And that's your complete tour of Malaysia's licensed crypto exchanges. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, there's something here for everyone. Tried any of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more crypto insights coming your way.